Video 989, let's go. Source code is right up here if you want it. Okay, const macros by system. These are monkey wrench macros. They are almost the correct name in geoseek, but the namespace should be geobase for the center level pack, origin X, origin Y, and origin index. In data by system, inside the geobase, the base addresses of tile size exponent 0 for our different 13 rooms, right? 13 rooms to level pack. Take these pieces of data and convert it to the data pixel index, the one-dimensional origin of the cluster of same size tiles, geometry tiles. 13 records because there's 13 rooms, right? Okay, so we're going to initialize this. So we're going to have origin index as geobase center level pack origin index. The next row of 4 rooms, 128 times 2048, because the texture is 2048 by 2048, and each room is encoded in 128 by 128 pixels. And then next geom_row is just this variable. It's an alias for this. Okay, here are the base addresses of the 4 rows of rooms in our texture memory. And then we have the base addresses of the individual rooms on the first row, individual rooms on the next row, individual room base addresses on the next row after that, and the base addresses on the last row. The last row only has one room, room 12. And then these are monkey wrench macros. This is also monkey wrench macros, nonsensical variable names that I shouldn't have typed. And then down here, we're going to take all of those calculations, data pixel indexes 0 through 12, right? The origin, right? These are origins in index format rather than dpx, dpy. So dpi is just the one-dimensional representation of dpx, dpy. And we're going to take all these and we're just going to pack them into the correct slots in our lookup table, right? And then we're done there, okay? Inside of geoseek here, we have a nonsensical lookup table, right? Data geoseek tile size exponent 0 and room index converted to the next row byte offset. And to get to the next row, when you're in any one of these rooms, it's always 2048 times 4, right? There are 4 bytes per pixel, and the texture is 2048 by 2048. So to get the next row, it's 2048 times 4. And that doesn't matter for any room you're in. Any room you're in, that's always the same. So this is kind of a nonsensical lookup table, but that's what we got, okay? And then down here, we're done. We're done. We don't have time to go over all that stuff. If you want a longer explanation, you will have to go to this playlist. We don't have any time on the fast playlist. My name's Kanji Coder.